Hello students, today we are starting our new lesson number 9, that is force and laws of motion. In this lesson we are going to study some new concept like force and different laws of our motion. So what is meant by force? Force is a quantity which we are going to use to change the position of an object. As you can see here, I have a resistor. When I apply and I have to make some efforts to change the position of this object like this. As I have pushed this object away from this place, so in this case I have applied a force. If I am going to pull this like this, in this case also I can say that force is applied on an object. That means force can be of two types, that is pushing force or pulling force. When we are going to push any object away from ourselves, we can say that the pushing force is applied there. And when we are going to pull any object towards ourselves, in that case we can say that pulling force is applied on an object. So we can say that force is of two types, that is pushing force and that is another one is pulling force. Pushing, hitting or pulling of an object are all ways of bringing objects in motion. In all these cases, as I have explained you that a resistor is when I have pushed that resistor away from myself, in that case the pushing force have changed its position and bring that object in a motion. In same case, when I am going to pull any object towards myself, in that case also I am giving the motion to the object. Means to bringing motion in an object, pushing, hitting or pulling of an object is responsible. Some of the examples are given in our book. We are going to study them. As you can see here that one boy is there who is pushing a trolley away from him. Means in this case the force is of pushing type. Then in case of drawer, we are going to pull it away. We are going to pull it towards ourselves. Means in this case there is a force which is of pulling force, we can say. In case of hockey or in case of football or in case of cricket, in all these cases we are going to hit the ball, and that means in that case pushing force is there. In case of spring, if we are in case of this ball, you can say we have pushed it, है ना. तो इस तरह से आप बोल सकते हो कि in all these cases there are two types of force we are going to use, that is pushing force or pulling force. Okay, I hope आपको ये टॉपिक जो है समझ में आ चुका है. इसके अलावा और भी हम कहाँ पे फोर्स का यूज कर सकते हैं वो भी मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. जैसे to change the magnitude of velocity of an object. We see an example of this in football. The ball is moving by some velocity and if you hit it, then in that case the speed of the object get increased, means velocity of an object get increased. So we can say that to increase the velocity of an object, whenever the in case of cricket, if a batsman have hit the ball, then in that case fielder dives and try to stop the ball. In that case, if his hand get touched to the ball, then the speed of ball get decreased. Means by applying the force, he had decreased the speed of the ball. So we can say that the force is such a quantity that which can decrease or increase the velocity of an object. Okay, again what we can do by using the force, change its direction of motion. By using the force we can change its direction. We have already seen all these cases in our when we play cricket or when we play football. By using the bat, batsman changes the direction of an object. In case of football also, by hitting or by just giving direction to the ball by using our foot, we can change its direction. Means all in these cases we are forcing an object to change its direction. Means force is responsible for change in direction of an object also. Again, force can change its shape and size of the object. You have seen that while making statue or anything like this. In that case, by using force we can change the direction and we can give a particular shape and size to an object according to our need. we can change its dimensions. So we can say that force is a quantity which we are going to use to change, to make an object in motion, to change its direction, to change its magnitude of velocity, to change its direction, to change its shape and size. So force is very much required in all these cases to make an object moving, है ना। किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को जो स्टेशनरी है उसको मूवमेंट में लाने के लिए आप फोर्स का यूज कर सकते हो, है ना। इसके अलावा काफ़ी अलग अलग टाइप्स दिए हुए हमारे बुक के अंदर, जैसे बैलेंस, अनबैलेंस फोर्स, तो उसको भी हम लोग नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के अंदर कवर कर लेंगे। थैंक यू।